Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. So today, if I'm honest, I'm cramming in as much as possible with the Snowfall Thinlits because time is running out and I don't want you to miss out. Look how pretty this card is. So it is the same size as our narrow notelets, however I've made this myself using Whisper White cardstock. We've made the mat and I've put some snowflakes and the sentiment. The sentiment is using the Merry from the Merry Christmas. I know you would have seen me do this technique before, however I think it's just so simple to do that you're going to love it. So what I am going to do is I'm going to start with a base of Whisper White, as I said, and I'm going to bring in a mat. So the card base is 6.4 centimetres by 11.4, and the mat is 6 by 11, and that just fits perfectly on there like so. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in some contraband, and I know it's naughty, but it happens. I don't know if you'll remember this tool, but it works well with our Stampin' Right markers, and it helps create the background. You just put it in like so and screw it up and then just mix like that. Move our card out of the way. So I'm going to do a thin spray all over like so, and then at the top where the sentiment's going to be, I'm just going to go darker so we have a point of focus. Now quickly just unscrew my marker, pop the lid back on like so, and there you have it. Just give that spritz background effect. So as you probably already noticed without me introducing it, here's the sentiment, which I've already heat embossed in white onto basic black, and I'm just going to cut that down along the top and then part way down like so, and I'm just going to cut up the middle and then either side into the centre like so. How simple was that? And that's the sentiment, which is going to sit on there. However, before we do that, I'm going to bring in these gorgeous snowflakes. There you go, you can see. Look how pretty they are with the dazzling diamonds on them. I have got a video showing this technique, so make sure you pop along and see that. And all I'm going to do is pop these up on dimensionals. So I know one corner of this snowflake is going to be hidden by the sentiment, so I'm going to use a dimensional to place it down and up. Now for the smaller ones, I am going to use a mini dimensional again and just cut it into 4. This does get fiddly, however it's worth it just to have them pop off the card. Like so. And just place them on the back in the centre. Like so. And take this off. Well, the bigger one I'm going to wait before I position that. I know this one's going to go up here, like so. And all I'm going to do is on one side, I'm going to put one dimensional, and on the other side I'm going to do 2. So I can just stick them back to back like so. Peel it off, put that down. And what this does is it allows for the same height of dimension on either side of the sentiment. And then this is going to go down here. And I'm not going to tuck this one under, just going to leave that there like so. Now I'm going to bring back in the card base. Now before you assemble it, please feel free to actually mount the card on. However, as you can see, I've made no damage to the card by using the snow adhesive afterwards. And I'm just going to put that down onto the card like so. And there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed today's card. Why not pop into the description bar below where you can see a full list of the products used. And while you're down there, why don't you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe, and why not share this to all your social media so that other people can see how quick and easy it was to make such a beautiful card. I'll see you around. Bye.